killing. Came home at the stroke, now I'm spending $1 million. Going hard for the chicken, told the God just a minute. Got my dog in the system, paid all to a billion.
Yo, what's up, gang? It's your boy MIKEHUD checking in. Today I'm coming to you guys to have a Sunday breakdown. Today we'll have a Sunday breakdown the market, try to get some good bucks, some good money. This will be a Sunday breakdown for Forex and futures. It's pretty much the same. As you know, we got GU, EU, and then gold, which will be the same for futures, which will be the same thing. It's basically the same thing as you see, same price movement in a way, but you have, you know, futures, which is coming and becoming the more better trend now for trading. So if you guys are very interested, you can go and move into futures at your own risk. But it is very lucrative. It's very much better, in my opinion. You can check the link below to get an account with Apex. I'm currently funded with Apex, with 2 funded accounts with Apex. Pretty cool, gang. All right. So let's get into the Sunday breakdown, man, and get some good cash, good money, and let's make profits together this week. Alright, then, so right here on GU, we're going to start at the 4 hour. Well, if you look at the daily, as you can see, the daily we're pushing below. Might retest here, push back, we will definitely see. But I'm more of a price action trader. I don't focus on the daily as much. I don't care who tells you about focusing on the daily, the monthly, the weekly. I'm more of a price action trader, because you got to think about it. Within the market, money fluctuates a different way than most people think. A lot of tragic events just happens out the blue. Just like the war broke out overseas and gold shot up overnight, out of nowhere. So I'm focusing more on the price action because I'm a day trader and I'm trying to get my money and go to sleep. Let's get it. So on the 4 hour right here, what we have is we have a great support zone setting up, which could be possibly a demand zone. But what you want to see is you can possibly see a push from this demand zone. Let's see, get up half. So we can probably see a push down, boom, and then back down here somewhere. Or you could see a breakout. See, you want to look at the market in the simplest ways, gang. You want to look at the market in the simplest ways. The reason why you want to look at the market in the simplest ways, because a lot of people complicate it. Not just understand. You want to take it from zone to zone, zone to zone, zone to zone, and so forth. And it's actually going to create, you know, more simplicity in the market for you. Just like this one Sunday breakdown, I said it was either going to come down or go up. It broke in, shot up. Just like this, I said it's either coming up, boom, shot down, as you see. So it's pretty simple. Support, resistance, see if it break out, whichever way. That's the 4 hour. We break it down to the 1 hour. See it a little bit more simple. See right here, you can see it a little more simple. And honestly, I'm thinking we can come back down here somewhere just to trap them, then start pushing back up and go out. Probably not. Or we can just come down, break, retest, back down. I don't know. We will see. Or it could retest right up back here and go down. So you just want to keep it simple. Just play it by price action. So GU is a little tricky. Let's see what news we have for GU coming up this week. I'm really good with the news. As you can go check out some of my clips with the news and how I'm trading, some of my live trades, some of my good trades and stuff like that on Instagram at MIKEHUD Trades. You can check me out. So what we will have is April 1st, we will have no GBP news, which is pretty cool, pretty solid. Come in, and, you know, the market can find its footing. Tuesday at 2 a.m. we got some medium news for the GBP. Let's see, at 4:30 we have some high impact news. We have our PMI news. Our PMI news, and the cons is looking to increase. So if we get an increase, a positive, we will be looking bullish for the GBP. If we get a negative, we will be looking bearish for the GBP. All right, gang, keep that one in mind. We also have some US news, not much US news this week. So we got some PMI news for US Monday. So check that out as well. So check out more news that we might have. Wednesday, we have some more PMI news for the US. We have ADP. Should be NFP week. Pretty cool, pretty tricky, different week. We have core inflation for the euro on Wednesday as well. A lot of news Wednesday, core inflation, and we also have the US news. So let's see what else we have. Thursday, we have more PMI news, US news, jobless claims coming Thursday and Friday, which I will not be trading. We have our NLP. We have NLP Friday, which I will not be trading. So you guys, I understand you guys want to trade every day, make money, but that's not how trading actually works. Trading, you want to find those great setups, those right setups, and as you get more ahead in the game, you get more into the game, you will understand what I mean, because you will not trade every single day. So let's get into the Euro, USD. It's pretty much the same as the GBP pair. Boom, see, I can come in right here, come to this 4 hour, I can come in right here and see exactly what I'm looking for. So we can possibly look for push up, back down, or you know, you want to look for some type of broken structure. I honestly wouldn't look for buys unless we come up in here. That's what I'm looking for, buys, honestly. Up in here. So we can show that we're getting back into a trending market. So that's when I would look for more buys. Alright, so that's for the Euro. Right there, you can go to the hour to see more of my analysis. What I said, I trade more of price action, break and retest with the trend, not much against the trend. Understand that, and you guys should do it as well. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Remember that. So let's get into, check out the 15 just in case you guys want to see it. Check out the 15 on the GBP as well. So let's get into gold, into our last pair for today. Let's get into gold. All right, gold. One time I had that gold could easily, when it was right here, I said gold can come back down, retest this trend line, which is also support, and then push back up, or gold can just break into the zone, retest, and push up. Gold broke into the zone. It did not retest, but it just went crazy. It just went crazy, but it did break into that zone and continue up. That's gold. Gold is extremely high right now. It's pretty crazy, and I want you guys to really understand this. Let's get into. Talk to me. All right, guys, I want you guys to really understand the inverse between gold and inflation. Gold and inflation has a huge inverted curve. If you really want to understand more, what I'm saying is we have inflation fighting inflation that is going high. Inflation is extremely high and gold is extremely high, which does not match. Gold does not match because gold is extremely high, and we also have inflation extremely high in the US, which is bound for bad times, and I'm not really understanding. The GDP isn't as good as well as we just missed on the news for the US. So what I want to tell you guys is some great advice for you guys. We have gold going to all-time highs. We have inflation at an all-time high, and it could get scary for the US. So I want you guys for the next 18 months, save your money and just really lock in on the craft of trading. Save your money. Don't buy the nice things. Don't buy the nice shoes. If you have a birthday, just do something very simple. But save your money. You want to load up your bank account. You want to work extra hours right now if you could, because something scary could happen. And I don't want to put a name on it, but you guys just keep working. All right, let's get back into it. Gang. So right here, so we have gold. Like I said, it's just pushing higher and higher. I'm honestly not touching gold, so I don't really want to put a crazy analysis on gold because it's pushing higher and higher. But what I said is, you can look for a pullback here, and you can probably continue back up if you could do that. Or if you get a break underneath here, you can look for sales. Simple as that. Get a break underneath here, you can look for sales. Simple as that. But you guys just be really careful with gold, trading gold. So we can go back through the analysis one more time. Right here, we have the 4 hour, we have GBP. We can look for, if we get right here, we can break, retest, and continue down to the downside. If we can break up, we can break, retest, and continue to the upside. We also have the Euro. We can break, retest, and continue to the downside, or we can come in, break, retest, and continue to the upside. Look out for the Euro CPI news come in. I believe it was CPI news is coming Wednesday, so look for that as an important date for the Euro to move. So just be aware of everything that's going on in the market this week. Be safe for NFP, you guys, and just make some smart decisions when you're getting into trying to trade NFP. And I don't want you guys to trade NFP, in my opinion, unless you guys are better experts and you're continuing to grow and grow. But I wouldn't suggest you guys trade NFP unless you have a separate account. But just stay away. Be smart on that day. Because it's not for everybody. It's not much for beginners, but just stay away. And like I said, take my advice, you guys, because inflation is at great highs, and we also have gold at all-time highs. It's very, very, very much not likely to be having a good ending. So you guys save your money for the next 18 months and continue to trade, continue to lock in, And I have more bangers and more videos for you guys coming soon. I did get funded with Apex for futures. I switched over to futures, and I want you guys to lock in and continue to get better.